Hello students, I am Khosre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kondadev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn fourth topic, preposition of spotting error. The students who are trying for UPSC written exam for subject English. So this is part first of preposition. So let's see preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word used with noun or pronoun to show its relation to another word in a sentence. So let's see the difference between in, on and at regarding time and location. First see time. In is used for general, bigger, means in centuries, decades, years, months, weeks. We use in. For example, in the 1980s or in 80s, in 1970, in 1981, in July, in May, in 2 weeks. If we become specific, more specific, we use on. For example, days or for weekend, on 7th May 1964, on my birthday, on Friday, on the weekend, etc. And if it is specific, more specific, exact, at that time we use at. For example, at 7 am, at 12 o'clock, at 5 pm, etc. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन है तो इन यूज़ करना चाहिए, उससे छोटा है तो ऑन यूज़ करना चाहिए, और एग्जैक्ट टाइम है तो एट यूज़ करना चाहिए. उसी तरह लोकेशन देखिए, राइट हैंड साइड लोकेशन, सेम थिंग, इन, ऑन, एट. इफ इट इज़ बिगर एरिया देन वी यूज़ इन. If it is specific area, on, and if it is exact area, then we use at. See, in England, in London, in Chinatown, etc. If we become specific, then on Oxford Street, on the corner, etc. And if we have exact location, then we use at. At 734 Oxford Street, at the store, etc. So in this way there is a difference of in, on and at. We commit various mistakes while using this preposition, so keep it in mind, the use of in, on and at. Now let's see some prepositions regarding time. First is at, already we have seen. With a definite point of time, means if there is exact point of time, we use at. I usually get up at 5 o'clock. She leaves her house every day at 9 am. So here exact time is there, 5 o'clock, 9 am, etc. With festivals also at is used. He will come at Holi. So Holi is festival, before that at is used. Then second is in. With the parts of the day, with noon use at. Month, seasons and years, in is used. He takes a walk in the afternoon. In summer the weather is warm, etc. In this way in is used. The future tense referring to the period in which action may take place. You must be careful in future, etc. Now see the use of on. On is used with days and dates, means longer period. My brother will arrive on Monday. My birthday is on the 1st of June. Now by refers to the latest time at which his action will be over. The examination will be over by 5 p.m. Now next is for. For is used with perfect continuous tense showing the duration of action. I have been here for 3 years. Since is used with the point of time when action begins and continues. Means action शुरू हुई है और वो कंटिन्यू है. He has been ill since last Tuesday. Since 1980, Shalini has lived in Delhi. From refers to the starting point of action. इसमें शुरुआत बताई दी जाती है. This water came from a spring. She came from USA. Now we have seen the prepositions regarding time. Now we will see the prepositions regarding position. See above, under, below or beneath, beside, back of, in front of, between, दोनों के बीच में है तो between, in, out, inside, outside, on, off, up, down, across, around, into, near, through, for, with, first and last. See in the picture, up the stairs or up the hill, down, across, over, under, along, into, out of. अंदर जाना है तो into, अंदर से बाहर आना है तो out of. Through, past, round, from, to, etc. Now let's see the prepositions. At refers to an exact point. The tourist stayed at the tourist hotel. He studied at Oxford. So here exact location is given, so at is used. He is waiting at the door. Now second is in. In refers to larger areas. He lives in Bombay. Now between is used for two persons or two things. Share these sweets between him and me. It is a secret between you and me. So दोनों के लिए है तो between यूज किया जाता है. Among, दो से ज़्यादा है तो among यूज किया जाता है. Among is used with more than two persons or things but before the word which starts with a consonant letter. Divide the sweets among the three boys. Now next is amongst. See the difference between among and amongst. Amongst is also used with more than two persons or things but before the word which starts with a vowel letter. Example, divide the sweets amongst us. Us is there. It is vowel sound us. So amongst is used. So both among and amongst both are used more than two persons, but amongst is used when there is vowel letter. Above is used for higher than. The run rose above the horizon. We were flying above the clouds. Seventh is under. Under is used for vertically below. It is shady under the trees. Below is used for lower than. When the sun sets, it goes below the horizon. Your work is below average. कम है ये बताने के लिए below यूज किया जाता है. Over Over is used for vertically above. There is an aircraft coming over. The bathroom is over the kitchen. सीधे ऊपर बताने के लिए over यूज किया जाता है. Beneath. Beneath means a lower position. The ground was slippery beneath her. So in this way we have finished this chapter.